Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to learn a method by which we can estimate the cube roots of various numbers directly without actual calculation. So for that, we first of all observe the cube and cube roots of the first 10 natural numbers. So you can see them on your screen. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125, 6 cube is 216, 7 cube is 343, 8 cube is 512, 9 cube is 729 and 10 cube is 1000, right? So looking at this, what do you observe? Do you observe anything? Yes, I can see the cube root of 1 is 1, the cube root of 2 is not it does not end with 2, 3 does not end with 3, 4 end with 4, 5 end with 5, 6 end with 6, 7 doesn't end with 3, 8 doesn't end with 8, 9, yes, it ends with 9, and what about 10? It ends with 0. Yes, the last digits are same for few numbers 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 10, correct? However, you can also notice that the cube of 2 ends with 8 and the cube of 8 ends with 2. So you see we have the cube of 2 ends in 8 and the cube of 8 ends in 2, right? Similarly, for the other case, we have the cube of 3 ending in 7 and the cube of 7 ending in 3. So with these observations in mind, you can have these as the rules, right? So you know, if you have wanted to calculate the square root, cube root of any of such numbers, so what would be the last digit here? So using this fact, I have a rule with you. With this observation, can we estimate the cube roots quickly for some of the digits? Yes, we can do so. How we can do so? Let's have a look here. So we consider this digit 12167. So here this digits, you know, we wanted to calculate the cube root of this number. So you see that this digit ends with 7, and you know, if the last digit is 7, so your cube root it would have the last digit as 3, right? By this observation, if your cube has 7 at the end, cube root would have 3 at the end and vice versa, correct? So here our last digit is 7, so in this case the last digit is going to be 3, so this is going to be 3 here. So we wanted to know what is going to be this digit in front of 3. For that, what we have to do, we have to strike off the last 3 digits, right, like this. Now we are left with 12. Now for 12, we have to look which cube is nearest to it and it is smaller than this. So you see 8 is smaller than 12, right? It is nearest to 12, which is smaller than 12, and it is a perfect cube of 2. So we'll take this number 2 from here, so and put it in place of this question mark, so our digit would become 23, and you can actually check that our answer is this. 23 into 23 into 23 is this same number, 12167. Very simple as that, right? If you have any doubt, you can have a look at certain examples here. So let's discuss them one by one. In the first one, the number is 21952. So can you guess how we can do this? Now you can see the last digit of this number, it is 2. For 2, we have this rule that if the we have 2 and 8 simultaneously. If you found 2, you get 8. If you have 8, you get 2, correct? So the last digit is 8. Now we can strike off the last 3 digits, so you're left with 21. Now go back to your table here and locate what number is less than 21. So you see again 8 is less than 21, which is a cube of 2. So we take the number 2 here and put it in our example. So you see 28 into 28 into 28 would result in the number 21952, which was our number. So you see, without actual calculation, you are able to calculate the cube root of this number. Again, 46656. Now 6 would end in 6. So this last digit would be the same for 6. Now we can strike off these last 3 digits. We are left with 46. Go back to our table. So for before 46, the number 27 comes, which is smaller than 46, and it is a perfect cube of 3. So we take 3 as the digit in this particular case, right? So your answer is 36, and you can check 36 cube is what? This is the same number, right? Similarly, if you have 5 here, we have to write the same digit here, 5. We can strike off the last 3 digits. Then 857, go back to your table. 857, the smaller number than 857 is 729, which is the cube of 9. So we take 9 as our digit. So let's put it here. The answer is 95, correct? As simple as that. 4096, 6, in place of 6 you take 6, strike off the last 3 digits, you are left with 4. The smaller number, which is a perfect square than 4, is 1. So you take 1 as the number. So in this case, the answer is 16, right? In a similar manner, you can calculate all the digits. In place of 7, now you have to write 3, right? Strike off the last 3 digits. Instead of 12, you get 8. 8 is a perfect cube for 2, right? So you get 23 here. Similarly, for 6, we have 6. Strike off the last 3 digits. For 17, you again have 8, which is the cube of 2. So you get 2 here, right? What about this one? For 6, you have 6 here. Strike off the last 3 digits. Now you have some number which is bigger than 1000. So that means you have to extend your table. You have to write the cube of 11, 12, and so on. You can calculate it very easily, right? So once you do that, you can see that in this case, here you have 1191 less greater than 1000, right? The nearest smallest perfect cube is 1000, which is the cube of 10. So in this case, you have 10 here. So the answer is 106. Right? In a similar manner, you can check this for these 3 numbers as well, right? Let me show you for the number 10. For in place of 3, you now have to write 7. Strike off the last 3 digits. It is 456. Have a look at your table. 456. 456 is smaller, greater than 343, which is the perfect cube of 7. So you take 7 as the number here. So you get your answer as 7 here. So the answer is 77. So is this 77 cube is this number, correct? So I hope you got the idea how to calculate and estimate the cube roots of various numbers quite quickly without actual calculation, just by your fingertips. So I hope you understood this concept well. That is it for this video. Thank you for watching.